customer I work with has the same hesitation about trying new technology, and that is, you never know if it'll work until you actually buy it. We understand this is a real challenge, and so do our friends at Sky Data Vault. Sky Data Vault is a managed cloud services company that does something unusual to help overcome this hesitation. They're offering a free test drive for any of their services. We look to Sky Data Vault for things like backup as a service, disaster recovery as a service, and business in the cloud, something you might also know as infrastructure as a service. All of these services are fully managed, meaning that you don't have to add any workloads to your organization to implement, run, or use these services. So let's take a look at your business environment, identify your needs, and work together to see if Sky Data Vault will solve your pain points, like we know they will. And if you move forward, remember, there are no contracts, commitments, or charges. You'll finally get to try it before you buy it and know for sure that it works.